Alright, what's going on, guys? Your boy Hollywood here. Today we're back with another video. We got the Ducati V4 out, and today we're going to be reviewing the NBT and the FLG collab armored hoodie. You got keep your distance on the back. Alright, we're going to deep dive into this thing, what the differences are between the first gen and the new gen, how it fits, the pricing, and all that. So stay tuned, and let's jump into the video. Jumping into the video, guys, Alright, let me just say this in the beginning. Okay, I am affiliated with NBT, but I am not sponsored. Like, I don't get paid to make these videos. I don't get paid to say a certain thing. I don't get paid not to put any negative light on NBT. Okay, this is my personal opinion. Just based off of the gear that I've gotten. I know there's some people, I know that some people have problems with their gear, and now they're just shitting on the company. But I'm here to tell you guys, maybe that product was just a dud. It was like just a one-time thing. But, you know, I just had to throw that out there before we started the video, because a lot of people hate on NBT, and I just don't know why. Like, I don't know why. But anyways, jumping into number one, the differences from the first gen to the new gen. Alright, now, you're not going to be able to get this Fast Lane Gang NBT collab hoodie because they only made a certain amount, and I bought it in Miami. So, they are putting it up on the website. By the time this video goes up, they've already been sold out. So, good luck. Maybe you can try to find one online or something. But alright, so the number one thing jumping from the 1.0 to the 2.0 that I've noticed is that the material that it is made out of, the outside is so much more softer. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's really soft. If I had to compare it to something, I would compare it to like the Ghost hoodies. Like, it's that soft and comfortable. Alright, so was the inside. Now the first gen, it was soft and comfortable, but this is like an upgrade. I don't know what he did. Alright, I don't know if he did a little bit more of this, a little bit more of that, a little less of this, like, I don't know, but it is 10 times better. It's 10 times more softer, and yeah. So the more key features that the upgraded is the Gen 1. It comes with thumb loops, so like, you know, sometimes you're riding, and say if you don't have gauntlets on to keep your hoodie and your glove, you know, your jacket kind of rides up and it comes up your sleeve a little bit. You know, those thumb loops is going to keep your jacket down so it doesn't do that. All right, it's gonna keep you that much more protected because, you know, obviously it has armor in here, and I'll touch on that in just a second. But it's there to keep this part of your hoodie down, so that way you don't have any skin exposed to the road if you were to crash in this hoodie. Another upgrade, we're still on number one, but another upgrade from the Gen 1. You know, it came with one belt loop in the back so that your hoodie would not rise up. Now it has two, which I think is, I like it, honestly. I like the two loops, alright? The one loop, I liked it too, but I still felt the hoodie coming up just a little bit on some areas, but now that I have two, man, it is night and day difference. Yeah. It's just night and day difference. I don't have the hoodie come up as much. The only time my hoodie does come up is when I'm doing mock Jesus. Let's just leave it at that. But other than that, like, the hoodie stays down. You don't even need the belt loops, honestly, because the armor in the back, it literally is weighted down, so that way, you know, your hoodie doesn't fly up because it has the weight holding it close to your back. Another upgrade from the Gen 1, the kangaroo pouch in the middle, the one where you put your hands in, it is now waterproof. All right, you can put electronics and anything that's valuable in this little pouch, and it comes with zippers. Oh my god, this road is so rough, brother. It comes with zippers on either side, so now you have two zippers on either side. It's waterproof, and what more can you ask for out of a hoodie? A waterproof pouch with two zippers? Not one, but two? Come on now. I don't know if the entire hoodie is waterproof. I do know this little pouch right here is waterproof on the inside and the outside as well, and it comes with those two zippers, like I said. I believe those zippers are what keep it waterproof. Alright, moving on to number two, the fitment. So as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I'm 5'10", I'm about 250 without gear on, so I'm pretty, I wouldn't say tall, I'm not average height, but I'm a more muscular guy. Alright, I got a little gut, but I'm a little muscular guy, and this is a size XL, and it fits perfectly on me. I got all my hoodies in XL, even the armored ones, and I would say it's pretty true to size. Now, I think it is a little oversized, if I'm not wrong, and yeah, it fits perfect. I don't have any issues with fitment. I'm pretty sure if you did have an issue with it, you can get your money back. I think it's 30-day money back guarantee if there's a problem with it, or you can switch it out, stuff like that. But yeah, Nick is a pretty cool guy, so if, like I said, if there's an issue with your fitment, I'm pretty sure he would work with you on that. But yeah, there's no need to size down. There's no need to size up. I'd say get the size that you normally wear. Now, I would say the only difference, I would say size up, is if you're going to wear a hoodie up under this, or you're going to wear a tracksuit up under this, something like that, you know what I'm saying? That's the time you would size up. Other than that, fitment is A1. It's perfect. Number 3, the protection. What level of protection does this hoodie give you compared to the Gen 1? I know a lot of people out there are going to be having their think pieces on this, but I'm telling you guys, this is not just some bullshit hoodie, okay? Like, a lot of people have their opinions, and I get that. You're entitled to your opinion, but I'm just telling you, like, this hoodie is not, like, it's not a piece of shit. Like, I've seen a lot of people say that online, like it's a shitty pants, shitty hoodie, like shitty company. I'm telling you now, it's not, okay? And I'm going to give you the reason why it's not shitty. Number 1, it's AA rated in the seam and abrasion, okay? That means, like, they took this shit and they drug it across the ground. It is AA rated for in the seams where they stitch it together, and just abrasion in general. Now, this is the big part, okay? This is the part that people fail to realize when this company has upgraded their product. It is AAA rated in tear. That means I'm pretty sure they take it and they try to tear it apart, or they get like a grinder or something, and they try to like hold it real taut and tight, and like put a grinder to it or something, make sure that it is really good with the tear. Alright. AAA and AA ratings, that is a very big deal. Now I know there's higher ratings that you can get, but I don't know if he's ever going to work on towards getting towards that. Like, I know it'd be much more expensive, but I think he's trying to keep it at a certain price point where it's not too expensive and it's not very cheap. It's right there in the middle where it's affordable for everybody. And yeah, shouts out to Yami Noob. He doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. Yeah, AA, AAA rating. Suck on that, boy. Hey, number 4, we're jumping into the price. I know this is the part that everybody wants to hear about. How much does this thing cost? Is it going to leave a hole in my pocket? I'm here to tell you that you're getting what you pay for, okay? Yes, this hoodie is $259, whether it's the collab hoodie or not. It's $259, and yeah, like it's a price where, like, you would drop that on a pair of boots or some mods for your bike, you know what I'm saying? Like, forget the mods can wait. Why not just get you something that's going to protect you out here on the streets, and it's going to make you look cool? You know, everybody wants to wear a hoodie in the summertime or winter time, and they don't want to wear gear because they're not going to look cool. But MBT came to save the day, because now you can wear a hoodie and be protected at the same goddamn time. You feel me? I don't know how much more simpler I have to put it. Like, that is a win-win right there. And I know a lot of people complain about the price, like, oh, it's so much, like, I'm never going to spend that on a hoodie. Okay, well, let me tell you something. If you buy 2 Ghost hoodies, you're going to pay the same price as this MBT hoodie, if you were to get it shipped and everything to your house. It's literally 2 Ghost hoodies, and this is just 1 hoodie, and it comes with armor. Okay, number 5, we're jumping into the armor, okay? And what the hoodie is lined with. It's lined with, they call it their air mid lining, and it's just basically Kevlar. It's lined throughout the entire hoodie, so you're covered from neck down to your waist. They left no room for anything to get into you, okay? Not the road, asphalt, nothing. So, like, you're pretty much covered, even if you don't have the armor. The armor is just a little extra level of protection. The armor that comes with it is CE level 1, okay? And that's a pretty big deal when you have AA rating for seam and abrasion, and you have AAA on the tear, and then you're pairing that with air mid lining and protection on your elbows and your shoulders and your back. I just still, like, after naming all this stuff, I still don't see how people are, like, freaking, this stuff is flying off the shelves. I know it is, but it needs to be flying off the shelves a little bit faster, alright? No, you can't beat this hoodie. I don't know what to tell you. If you don't have it, you're missing out, bruh. You cannot beat this hoodie. And I think that's one thing that really sold me was, for one, it's a hoodie, okay? I like to wear hoodies when I ride. And It comes with armor, CE level 1. It's air midline, so it has all the Kevlar aligned in with it. And it's AA on the tear and abrasion, on the seam and abrasion, sorry. And it's AAA for the tear. Like, brother, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? But yeah, moving into number 6. Alright, this is just addressing all the hate. And I've seen a lot of hate since this company has started. Like, it's just constantly like, oh, this is a shitty brand. They're pushing out dangerous pants and hoodies to these guys. People are wearing them. They're going down. They're getting hurt. They're still getting scraped up, okay? And I'm not saying that Nick told me this. This is my words, my personal opinion. I think, and I've said this in the video before, I think this is gear for someone who doesn't want to compromise their style, but still want to be protected. And if something is better than nothing, okay? It's better to have this hoodie on than nothing. And yes, you know, there's going to be those odd cases where someone goes down and they still get scratched up, because I have seen that, even though they're wearing MBT stuff. But, you know, like I said, something is better than nothing. Because I'm telling you, if you have nothing on, boy, get ready, because that's going to be a long recovery. I've been in that situation. I've never had like road rash or anything, but I used to ride without gear. Well, I say without gear, but I had helmet, gloves, boots, and that was it. I didn't have any pants. I didn't have any hoodies or like jackets. I had a jacket, but I never wore it because it was just hot. It was big. Like, the armor was way bigger than the armor that I have in here. Like, it was just a lot to put on, especially in the summertime. But now, like, I'm just I'm compromising. All right, I'm willing to put all that aside and be safe out here in these streets. But yeah, like I said, man, like, I think if you just give this company a try, like, put all the BS aside, give it a try. Like I said, I do think that I do think they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Like, if you don't like the product, you can ship it back. They give you your money back. But yeah, just try it, man. Like, obviously try it, form your own opinion. Like, get all that BS out your ear that everybody else is saying, because that's not going to help you form your own opinion. All you're going to be thinking about is what the other person said about the company, and now you're just being biased because that's your best friend who said that or whatever. But there is a reason why you do see all these motovloggers and everybody like that wearing this stuff. Like, I have the pants, I have the hoodie. Like, there's a reason why we wear it, alright? Because it's proven. Like, if you have that big of an opinion where it's that shitty to you and, like, you just don't believe it, go on their website, go on any part of their product, pants, hoodie. I can't really speak for the girls' leggings or the Bia jeans or whatever they're called, but because I've heard stuff about that. But go on the pants of the hoodie, and I'm telling you, you're going to see nothing but like hundreds and hundreds of 5-star reviews. Obviously, yes, read the bad reviews too, because I do that with any product that I buy, just to see like what happened with them. Now, sometimes it's just a zipper popped off, or like the zipper came apart from the fabric or whatever. Little minor things, nothing that's really going to affect the product as a whole, per se. But yeah, man, I urge you guys to go read the reviews, make an opinion for yourself, buy it, try it, you know what I'm saying? If you don't like it, send it back, you know what I'm saying? But I just hate those who form an opinion and they haven't even tried the product, and they just hear the negative, and they can't form their own opinion. But that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below something that I missed in the video or something that you may have found on the internet. Comment down below, let's have a conversation about it, alright? And don't forget, use code Hollywood at checkout to get anything NBT. It's going to save you 10 to 15% on depending on what products you get. That not only helps you out saving some money, but it helps me out, alright? I get a little percentage. If you love your boy, fuck with me, alright? Like I said, don't forget, wear your gear, ride safe, don't get caught in the rain, keep chasing greatness, baby, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!